Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add watermarks in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add watermarks to your photos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now, select the photo that you want to add watermark to. For now, I'll choose this photo. Now, to add the watermark, simply click on share icon right here and select the gear icon beside the share option. Here, click on customize below the include watermark option, and from here we can choose our watermark by clicking here. I have two watermarks in PNG form. If I choose this one, it will be like this, and we can simply use this slider to increase or decrease its size and this slider to increase or decrease its opacity. And we can also place our watermark within these dots. To do that, simply click on one of these dots and our watermark will shift to that position. And just like this, we can add watermark in our photos in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.